Hello everyone. Generally, we're going to answer some examples of algebraic expressions. This video may not contain the entire definition or sign understanding of this topic, but we may be tackling some examples. Just rely on some videos such as Math Antics and the Organic Chemistry Tutor. So first example, the square root of 27 plus square root of 24. First thing we have to do is imagine that these are two terms separated by the operation addition. What we have to do is to root this, factor these, bribe the numbers, the factors of these two numbers, the smaller pieces. For instance, for this left expression, we will have 3 cubed. Since 3 times 3 is 9, then 9 times 3 is 27. Plus, new side, 24. What would be the square root? Rather, it would be 6 times 4. Actually, this isn't the square root yet, but we'll just make it easy to understand. It says here cube, but what is required here, since this sign means this invisible index over here is supposed to be 2. These are just the same. Don't confuse them. Therefore, we have 3 squared times 3. They're just the same but in different formations. Four can be rooted times 6. We have no choice but to place this here since it's just 2 times 3. It's nothing else. Nothing special, no squared, no cube, no magic. Here, we can bribe it already. This one stays in jail. Plus, this one goes out. 6 stays in jail. Actually, this is already the final answer. Nothing else. We can't combine these two since this is 3, this is 6. We can't combine them, no choice. For our second example, five times the square root of 3 plus 8 times the square root of 2. There. We have this example. This is our problem. Now, have you observed any ways to solve this? Pause the video to think about it. It's still your call. Actually, upon solving it, it's actually the final answer already. Why? There's a reason. Just like what I've said a while ago, these are not similar. These are not like the square roots inside, or in other words, the radicand. They're not similar with each other. They're not like. But just in case it would be, this is different, okay? 5 times the square root of 3 plus 8 times the square root of 3. This is another problem. How to solve it? Now that we have these radicands, we can simply add 8 and 5. 13 times the square root of 3. Final answer. You might want to ponder this and this.